Hey everybody, how's it going on? Hopefully everybody is doing well. With everything that's kind of going on in the world, I know it's been getting a little chaotic. What looked like it was not much last week has turned into quite a big deal now. I actually got my first glimpse of it today when I went to Walmart. So a couple times a week I'll take my mom to physical therapy and then I'll go across the street to Walmart just to walk around the store and get my 10,000 steps in on my Fitbit. And I decided while I'm there, let me go pick up some things. There was no milk. There was no orange juice. Actually, the whole racks of those things. Let me see if I can pull it up on my phone because I mean, if you're on my Facebook, you've probably already seen it. But right there, right, all the milk and everything gone. All the paper products, uh, paper towels and everything gone. And then I went into the canned food aisle. I was like, okay, let me go get some tuna and stuff. Gone. So I I ended up buying a cake, just cake and the frosting. So I thought, maybe my family can just bake a cake tonight or something. And then what else I got? Chips and salsa. That's pretty much it. I think like I'm on a diet right now, but I was so stressed out. I got a Cadbury cream egg. I was like, okay, this is a little frustrating, because you start to think. I guess the thing that really dawned on me is that even as the most powerful country in the world, something like this can bring us to our knees so quickly, and it's just like it's amazing. And I know everybody has their own logic on it. Some people, have conspiracy theories. Some people think it's, genetically made, whatever the case may be. And I'm not saying none of it's, anything is possible at this point. We don't know how this happened, why it happened, but it happened. And now we have to deal with it. Just in the past 24 hours, what, 1,500 more cases in the United States alone. Over here in Texas, we have 85 cases. One person died, but he was in his 90s, so he was pretty sick already. But this virus just kind of, took whatever else he had left away. So it is what it is. Okay, so now that it's like our latest coronavirus update, our daily update. So what do I want to talk about today? Okay, so in light of the coronavirus issue, if you remember, last week was the last week of the promotion for Impact Mailing Club. Well, in light of the recent events, now that there's so much people at home and they're being quarantined and there's not much going on, the owner of Impact Mailing Club, Rose, she decided to let's go ahead and extend the promo because there's people out there that are looking for opportunities. They're searching for some answers. They realize how important it is to have a second stream of income. They're realizing how important it is to have some extra cash at home. So she's going to extend the promo to March 27th, which kind of covers the whole quarantine. Most people are under quarantine for the next 2 weeks. At least that's what the president said, that for the next 2 weeks people are under quarantine. Whatever. I don't know what exactly that means. I don't know if that means you can only go to a drive-through or you can only go to the grocery store. But the point is that the less we go out right now, the less we spread the virus. Actually, yesterday when I was in line at the post office, I'm thinking, this is not a good place to be, in line at the post office. I don't know where everybody's been. I don't know where their packages is. So you start to get a little paranoid about it. And that's not the type of person I am. I'm usually the first person to say that, oh, this is a hoax. This is BS. They're blowing it out of proportion. But as the numbers go up every day, you start to think that, okay, maybe there's something here. So with that said, the Impact Mailing Club promotion is going to go on. So I'm not going to sit here and explain Impact Mailing Club. I'll just put my video below so you can go back and watch those videos. But I'm going to include an amazing bonus for you right now. For anybody that gets in between now and, well, March 27th, when the promo expires, this is what I'm going to do. And the sooner you do it, the better, because I can start working with you and get you ramped up. I don't want you to wait till the last minute and then the promo is over. See, right now you could actually get in and actually benefit from the promo. But what I'm going to do, along with Impact Mailing Club, if you come in at the Sapphire level, which is the $500 level or higher, well, you don't have to come in higher, because if you come in at the $500 Sapphire level, the whole point of the promotion is you're going to get bumped up to the $2,000 level, right? So what happens is, going forward after the promotion's over, even though you came in at $500, you could start proceeding to promote yourself as you came in at $2,000, which means you can earn a $1,000 commission, as opposed to the $500 position, which you can only earn a $300 commission. So hopefully that makes sense. Like I said, if you go through my videos, it'll make more sense. If you want, you can always reach out to me. We could jump on a quick call and I can explain everything. But my bonuses, as you see, I'm doing another program called Profits Passport. It's a program that my good friend and mentor David Deacle made. And the flagship, it's a multi-stream system. So the first product in that system is Easy1up. A lot of you guys may already know about Easy1up. Okay, so if you come in to IMC at the $500 level, at the Sapphire to Diamond promo, I will put you into passive profits in the Easy1up $100 position. Okay, so I'm going to buy your way into another program. That way you have two programs. Now you've got multiple streams of income, and I can show you how to do both. Okay, now it's only for Easy1up. There's other products in that funnel. If you want them, great. If you don't, you don't need to buy them. Okay, that's not the point. The point is, I'm just going to get you started in Easy1up at the $100 position. If you're already in Easy1up, I'm sorry, there's not much I can do there for you. Like I said, it's something that I want to do for other people to get them into that program as well. If you're already, if you're already, I'll do 100 clicks for you because I'm a solo ad vendor. If you go to nixclicks.biz, if you're already in Easy1up, I will buy you. If you get into IMC at the $500 level, I will get you 100 clicks to go to your Easy1up. If you already have an Easy1up, that's fine. I will send you 100 clicks, okay? So that's how that will work. So I just want it to be fair for both sides because I don't want somebody out there saying, well, Nick, I would have joined you in IMC, but I'm already in Easy1up. So, what about the $100 that you just paid for them to join the other business? Well, that's fine. I will give you 100 clicks, okay? And they will be, so 100 clicks on my website is $84. But what I'm gonna do for you, I'm gonna make sure that there are 100 tier 1 clicks. So no, they're only gonna come from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, your top 5 countries, okay? Now it's gonna be well worth more than $100 because I'm gonna give you tier 1 clicks. So hopefully that wasn't confusing. I just wanted to give people a really good bonus. And like I said, if you go back to my other video, all those bonuses apply too. So that's why I don't want to spend too much time on this video. I want you guys to go back and watch those other videos so you can see it in full. But what I'm telling you is on top of everything else that I've done, if you join me at the $500 level see, now I'm getting confused. If you join me at the Sapphire $500 level in Impact Mailing Club, I will buy your $100 position in Easy1up, okay? So you join me in Easy1up, I will pay for it. There's an administration fee. You have to pay your administration fee. It's like $10, okay? Because that money's not mine. That money goes straight to the company. Just like in IMC, there's a processing fee. So you just pay your $10 administration fee that goes to the company. I will take care of the 100, all right? So hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully that is a good enough bonus that you get to be in 2 businesses, and I'm going to mentor you and teach you, what to do to get these businesses off the ground. Now, even though Profits Passport is set up as a direct mail program as well, it is better suited online because it's an amazing funnel that David created, and you'll be able to do a lot more with it online. Whereas Impact, you could do a lot more with it offline. So now you have a good blend of 2 products that are both run by 2 people that I have a lot of respect for, and they're very smart marketers. So that is my deal for you. So, all right, so I will go ahead and cut this video short. It won't be one of those long-winded ones where I tell you about every aspect of the programs and stuff. Like I said, you can go back and watch those videos. I'll put them in the description below. So just to recap, I want you guys to get into Impact Mailing Club by March 27th. The sooner, the better. So you can get up and running. That way you can take advantage of the promo as well. Because, okay, Impact Mailing Club, there's a $100 position, the 250, the 500, the 2000, right? But right now, if you come in at the 250, you get bumped to the 5. If you come in at the 5, you get bumped to the 2000. If you come in at the 5, I will also take $100 of mine and put it into Easy1up. So you join me in Easy1up as well. So once you join the Impact Mailing Club, I'll give you my link for Easy1up, and then I will pay your way in. All you need to do is pay the $10 administration fee. Now you're in 2 programs. Now you have multiple income streams. So I hope that that's a really cool bonus for you. So basically, I'm taking money and investing it in you. You're putting money into Impact Mailing Club. I'm taking some of my money and investing it right back in you because I want you to succeed. I want you to have multiple streams of income, and I want you to learn different things. Both programs teach completely different things, and I want you to learn them all. Okay, so this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. You all be safe. Try to stay home as much as possible over the next 2 weeks. Let's do what we need to do to get past this thing. And I'm telling you that this is not good. Businesses are suffering. My own personal business, I have a real estate business on the side where I help people find apartments. All the apartments are closed down right now. I had a client that had flew in from Tennessee. He had a job interview and then he wanted to go look at some apartments. He went to the job interview, but he couldn't go view any apartments, so it kind of wasted his time, and that was very unfortunate. But of course, we're trying to do what's best for everybody's safety, especially since he just came off an airplane. You just don't want to take any chances. So like I said, stay home, be safe. This is a great time, especially if you're quarantined or you're working from home. Take some time. Those 2 hours that you're driving on the road back and forth, utilize that to get your education skills up. Learn some new things. Join us in this business. Let me help you make some supplemental income from home. Okay, so when something like this happens in the future, God forbid, but if it did, at least you're like, well, I have a secondary income stream. I have skill sets where I can make money from home too, and that's what's really important. Okay, so again, Nicholas Law from Dallas, Texas. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.